broke it.
Oh, you gotta be easy. Do you know what we do with this egg? It's cracked. Can you walk it down and throw it in that pig pen for that big pink pig down there?
But what about this one?
Hey, girl. Throw it in there. Just throw it over. Throw it over. There you go. Job. Gentle. Perfect. That was perfect. Oh, careful, bud. Baby, buddy, you pet the chicken. He loves it. We are gonna have a heck of a time pulling that up.
Or we run pigs on it and let them eat it.
It's a good idea.
And that was my plan. My plan is to run the pigs through the woods, and then whatever they clear out, and whatever they don't, we'll pull up and plant behind them whatever we want.
Sounds good.
But I figure that's the best, instead of you and I by hand pulling all these weeds and all this shrub and all this brush and the poison. The pigs will eat all that stuff. And then we'll just come behind them and put in what we want.
When are you gonna bring them back here?
The piglets, we're gonna work on moving them from where they're at, right on out into 2 paddocks, and then they'll start working this spring. The piglets will.
Yay!
So, wait for me, guys. Lose a bunch of weight once we get these paths in, just walking. You know.
So with the help of the pigs,
I'm gonna get a chainsaw and some pigs, and we're gonna make some paths.
We're gonna give these woods some TLC.
Yeah.
So we are going to put lots of native plants here. All here through. And it's going to be a heck of a lot of work, man. And in here we are going to put lady slippers. We're going to attempt to cultivate them ourselves. We are going to make this so beautiful. Maybe you won't. Don't walk in that water, Shug. You jump over that little, there you go. Jessie!
Well, I tried to get you a laugh.
Hey, no, sir, no, sir. We are gonna put so much swamp milkweed and obedient plants here. And Virginia water leaf. It's gonna be beautiful.